Hi friends, today we have Udaykant Reddy here. Thank you Uday for taking the time to share your journey and most importantly your experiences and your suggestions for the next batch. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
So Uday, can you give us a brief background about your education? When did you graduate or where did you study and things like that?
Yes, sir. Sir, currently I'm pursuing BTech final year CSC in Vizag, Gayatri Vijaya Parishad College of Engineering.
Okay, so I'm also from Vizag.
Yeah, yes, sir, I know, sir.
Cool. So your current, which branch are you
CSE,
studying?
Commerce
CSE
Science
from
Engineering.
Gayatri Vijaya Parishad,
Yes, sir.
Vizag, right?
Yes, sir.
So what were your learning experiences from the Applied Gate course, as you are a Applied Gate course
Yes,
course
sir.
enrolled
Yes,
student?
sir, I'm course enrolled.
So what are your learning experiences from the course?
Yes, sir. Sir, before going into that, I want to share a small story.
Please.
Basically, my father wishes is that I should go to IIT in my BTech, but I didn't even qualify in JEE Advanced. So that I didn't go to IIT, and I decided that there was one exam after engineering which is called GATE exam. We can get into IIT after graduating. So I decided that I should prepare for GATE. So I decided that I can join in any engineering college.
Okay.
So I joined in GVP College, which is one of the best
One of the
college in
top-
Andhra Pradesh.
It's one of the top engineering
Yes,
colleges
sir,
in
one of the
AP.
top
Yes.
Yes, sir. After that, okay, when I am third year, I started preparing for GATE. So I have course enrolled in Applied GATE in the month of Feb 2020.
Okay.
So when I am starting preparation, I listed all the subjects and the weightage according to the marks. So I thought that I would start from the easy subjects like TOC, CD, so that I can easily score well.
Very good.
So,
Good strategy.
Yeah. When I started with TOC, so I thought that I will complete within 5 days, but it takes me 15 days to complete TOC. So after that, yeah, I have one important information that after each topic in applied, there is one topic test.
Yes.
I thought that this topic test is easy, I can easily score because it's TOC easy. It was the first exam I am written in applied. It changes my preparation. Topic test. One topic test, it changes my overall preparation because the topic test is very hard. Even TOC is a very easy subject, but topic test is very
You
hard.
intentionally give slightly
Yeah.
harder questions there.
Yeah, it's very helpful for me because it has these questions are taken from the assignments of top universities and premium institutions. So I took it as a challenge because I need to solve all the problems. So I developed one strategy that as I am from CSE guy, so I thought that I am not from CSE guy. I want to start from the basics. I don't know anything.
Oh, so you are behaving as if you are not a CSC student and you want to start everything, every subject
Everything from the basics. I don't know. I don't know anything. I didn't listen any words like TOC. I didn't listen. So I think that it would help me because so I again started TOC. I started from the basics. I watched all the videos without skipping any video. So and that after all I attempted topic test. And that okay, I am solving questions. I am able to understand the questions. So I thought that after each topic test, after each topic, I would take this topic test as an assignment.
Okay.
I thought I didn't thought that it was an exam. I thought that I would take it as an assignment. I thought that I would like to solve all the problems. Even I have scored very low in that topic test, but I didn't get demotivated.
That's very important.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people give up as soon as they see lower marks in these topic tests.
I didn't get demotivated. Then I tried to analyze where I am doing mistakes. Is there any concept lag or is there any silly mistakes? So I tried according to the action. So after that, in the month of October, I have completed all the syllabus.
So from Feb to October,
to
finished
October.
all the subjects once.
And all the practice tests.
All the practice tests.
Because
how much time were you putting in to complete this whole thing from Feb to October?
Yeah,
Roughly. Because you're also a student at a college, right?
Yeah, at starting, when I am preparing TOC, I give only 4 to 5 hours.
Okay.
But after TOC, I started CD, compiler design. So I thought that it's very interesting. So I need to spend more time in applied gate. So I thought that I would give to 7 to 8 hours in applied.
Even while you're parallelly going to college?
Sir. Yeah, there is due to COVID, there is some delay in our colleges.
Because you don't have to go to college.
Yeah, from I think 4 to 5 months there was no college. So I thought that I need to utilize this opportunity and I want to complete most of the subjects in this span of time.
Very good, very good. So by October,
So since you're mentioning TOC,
Yeah.
you started with. So how did you feel about undecidability and Turing missions?
Yeah.
And what were your marks in practice test of undecidability and Turing machine.
Yeah, it's one of the important information. Like in TOC, undecidability is the one of the important topic. If you want to be in top 100 or 200, we need to solve the undecidability questions. It's a very hard to solve that questions. So when I came across the applied videos, I thought that okay, we can solve. It's like algorithms. If we define if we create an algorithm, it is decidable. Yeah, I get the intuition behind the undecidability topic. So when at starting I score very less in only undecidability. Remaining parts TOC is scoring 70 to 80%. In undecidability at starting I score only 40%. Later it developed to 70 to 80%.
Okay. So you worked on your mistakes.
Yeah, but
and then
I analyzed
with
my
revision
mistakes.
It has improved.
Yeah, with revision I have improved.
So by October, you finished your one iteration of all the subjects.
Yes, sir.
So were you also revising when you're learning? Because otherwise,
Yeah,
what you
yes.
learnt in February, you will forget by October, right?
Yeah. When after completing TOC CD, I started with C programming .hs. In parallelly, like in weekends, Saturdays, Sundays, I revise what I have
Subjects that you
completed
already
subjects.
completed.
I saw which are completed.
So by October, you not only finished all the subjects, you were also revising parallelly.
Parallel revision, one-time revision
Very right.
with practice tests.
Okay, good. So from October onwards, you have now subject tests,
Yeah.
multi-subject tests,
Yeah.
mock tests, grand tests. How did you strategize from October?
Yeah, from October onwards, our college opens.
your college also opened.
Yeah, I want to consider. I want to schedule account our college means I have three opportunities. Like I want to prepare GATE, and then my academics and placements. I need to handle these three.
Yes.
So as college opens and we have third year second semester exams, but it's we have common subjects. C and CD are common. So I given very less time to the academics because they are common subjects. I think I can write exam very well.
Okay. Because you already prepared.
I
for
already
it.
prepared in GATE, so it is like I can write anything in SEM. So in placement, like okay, after October, I have written and I thought that I would like to write
When did
test
the
this.
placements happen on our campus?
Yeah, I thought Infosys came on the Feb only.
Feb only.
And in Feb, Infosys came, I cracked Infosys. And in August, TCS came. I cracked TCS and then, okay, I have back option. So I now give my
Full time
more
to
time,
GATE.
full time to the GATE. So I thought that I would, now onwards, I would like to attempt test series and I want to solve previous GATE questions.
Very good.
So I solved by starting 2020 test series and parallel previous GATE questions, and I prepared on short notes while seeing videos. I prepare short notes. Parallelly, I am checking all them. So, yes.
So when you are doing all the test series from October onwards,
Yeah.
were your results, were your marks as you expected, or did you have some slightly lower marks and things like that?
Yeah. After October, I attended one mock test in 2020 mock test. I got 70%.
Very good.
70%
Very good
I got.
marks.
I felt like okay.
Mostly he's like on the upper side only, like
Okay.
more than top 20. Consistently is
I
scoring
guess.
about.
So I think your effort of saying I'll go to the basics,
Yeah.
start thoroughly from Feb to October, that's a good chunk of time.
Yes, sir.
Lot of effort that you have put in. That has paid off.
Yes, that has paid off.
Very good, very good. So in terms of mentorship, were there instances where you got stuck at a topic or you felt little low motivationally and you reached out to the mentors?
Yeah, I have reached out mentors. Every day I had a chit chat with the mentor because as I stated that I am learning from the basics. When we are learning from the basics, we have a lot of queries. So I need to resolve queries within a short span of time. Otherwise, I can't go forward.
Yes.
So Applied team has a terrified response within 2 to 3 hours. So it helps.
Terrific.
Ah.
Terrific response. Not
Terrific response within 2 to 3 hours. So it helps me a lot in preparation towards GATE.
Good, very good, very good. So were there points where you felt that I'm not scoring well, I'm feeling little low? Did that happen to
This
you
mock
anytime?
test 5, 6.
Yeah,
you
one of the
scored,
mock test I scored. That mock test was very easy. Yeah, everyone scored 75 plus to 80 plus also. But
The easy mock test.
Easy mock test. I still get 70 marks in that easy mock test.
Why? What happened? You did silly mistakes.
Yeah, more silly mistakes I have done.
How did you correct yourself and rectify those silly mistakes?
I take the screenshots of all the silly mistakes and I make down that I have done this silly mistake, so in future I won't do this.
Got it, got it. So
When
you
I-
made a note of all the
Yeah, I
silly
made a note of
mistakes.
all the silly mistakes. When I saw a question, I can know that I can do here silly mistake. So I can't do that in the exam.
So if you were to go back and change your preparation strategy,
Yeah.
given all that you have seen, what would you change about your preparation strategy?
Yeah, as I have ample of time, so I would prefer standard textbooks, and I solve the questions on the back side of every chapter.
That's a very good point because you're preparing for a longer duration.
Yeah.
So we'll be adding some new sections in our course videos
Yeah.
where after a bunch of videos we will say this textbook you can read these sections which is relevant.
Okay, it's very good idea.
So it's something that some of our students suggested us. So we will add that because we think that will help our students, especially those who have more time to go back and revise these topics or read from standard textbooks.
Okay.
So that's something that we will surely do.
It's very good ideas.
So in addition to that, what suggestions do you have for somebody who is a BTech final year student,
Okay.
very similar to you,
Yeah.
on how to prepare best for the next year GATE?
Okay, first he should be very confident that he can crack GATE. Means that confidence is very important for the. Means there are many opportunities for the BTech final year guy. Means placements, and he can crack. Means in academics he want to perform very well. So he need to be very motivated and he need to work hard. So that I thought I would like to suggest that he like to start from the third year itself to
Better to
start
start
prepare
early.
for GATE.
Okay.
If he prepare early, he can get ample of time to placement preparation and he can solve many problems.
True,
But
true.
problem solving is very important when you go into exam.
Yes, yes, yes. So very nice suggestions. Any suggestions you have for the applied GATE team on how we can make this course better?
Okay, as of now, applied course team is very well established curriculum. So I have no suggestion.
Still we are like,
Just think about it. If
Okay.
not now, at a later point, if you
Okay.
have any suggestions,
Okay.
do share them with us.
Yes, sir.
We'll try to incorporate as many as possible for the next batch of students. And any questions you have,
Not questions. I would like to share some information.
please.
Yeah, I would like to say about the two subjects, operating systems and computer organization, which I felt that I didn't know anything, which are hard to in terms of GATE. Means if they are scoreable, and if we score in OS and CO, we can get in top 100 or 200. So when I came across applied videos in OS, there are two concepts are very important: synchronization and memory management. These two explain very well, so that I can, after watching videos, I am very confident that I can easily score in these areas. When it comes to CO, computer organization, everyone felt that it's a very hard subject. We can leave we leave one subject. We can focus on the remaining subjects. But I also felt that same. Okay, I leave CO and we focus on remaining subjects. But I have very ample of time. Means in the month of June I started CO. Means okay, we have time. We started CO. After seeing all the videos and solving practice tests, CO became the strongest subject for me.
Oh, very
I
nice.
became very confident that I can solve any question in CO.
Very good. I'm very happy about it because CO is a subject where we were very careful to create really good course
Yes,
as
sir.
best as we can
Yes, sir.
with the help of all the mentors, co-founders. It's not just my effort because there are so many inputs from everybody in the team
Yes, sir.
to make it really strong. So again, I'm happy that CO became a subject that you wanted to ignore
Yes,
to your
ignore.
strongest scoring
Strongest
subject.
subject.
Definitely this year like CO subject the questions are easy.
Yes, yes, relatively,
On easier
relatively.
side, right?
Yes, sir. But it helps me a lot to understand the operating systems also.
Yes,
It is
yes.
interlinking between operating systems and CO.
There is some overlap between those two subjects.
Between cache and virtual memory.
No, there is some overlap.
There's some
So it's
overlapping.
easy to understand. Once
It's
you
easy.
understand the hardware, understanding the OS layer becomes much more easy.
Much easy, yes.
Very true. Thank you very much for taking the time and sharing your journey and most importantly your suggestions for the next batch of students. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.